Dave here, how are you? Today I'm putting some drawer slides and some drawers in my assembly table. I'm doing a whole video about it, but there's one little thing that I thought I'd share with you straight away this week because I won't get the video out till next week. This is a Vicks bit. Now, it's got a little bit of a countersink finish on the end, and when I pull the front down, there's a tiny little drill pops out. You can get these in different sizes, and I use them because they're very good for hinges and also for drawer slides. I need to center the screw right here in that hole. If it's off to one side, I'll get creep, and what will happen is the drawer won't track correctly. So here we go. I rest it on the hole and then just push, and in it went. See that there? The hole is perfectly centered. I love these little things. They're called Vicks bits. I'll see if I can throw a link down the bottom for you to have a look for them. In goes the screw. I do drawers a little bit differently to most people, so if you're interested in watching, tune in when I do the video on it. How nice is that? And another screw. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.